This is a manifest file found inside java.jar archives. It tells the Java machine which class is the main class to run. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the manifest. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted MF files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. An MF file can refer to either a Java manifest file or a Metafont source file. Java manifest files contain metadata about jar files, including versioning and dependencies. Metafont files are used by the Metafont system to define fonts using mathematical descriptions. Java manifest files are plain text files adhering to a specific format, defined by the Java specification. Metafont files contain code written in the Metafont language, which is processed by the Metafont compiler to generate font bitmaps or vector graphics. Java runtime. Environment and Metafont from Oracle Corporation and Donald Knuth should be your first choice when attempting to open MF. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows may identify the file, but understanding its content requires the program that uses the data. Open the context menu by right-clicking your MF file and choosing Open With. Try Java Runtime Environment and Metafont first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the MF file is still giving you trouble, relax. Failure to open this MF file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, use a text editor. Open the file in Notepad to read the manifest data, which lists the version and main class for a Java application. Next, use Metafont. If the file is for typography, use the Metafont program to process the font definitions into a usable digital typeface. Finally, check jar files. Look inside a jar file using 7-zip for a meta-inf folder. This is where MF files are usually found and used. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.